What's up guys? Boostautoparts sent me a new key fob for my LLY Duramax. So obviously for those of you guys that do know, LLY is a 2005 GMC or Chevy Silverado 2500. Now it comes with this key fob. Focus. Let's see if it'll focus. There you go. Cool thing about Boostautoparts is that they retrofit key fobs. I had a key fob that was made for 2014 to 2018 body style 1500 key fob. But their latest product is something a little bit different. It is this key fob. Let me take out the bag real quick. Check it out. Look at that. Can anybody tell what this is from or which style key fob this is? Oh my gosh, it's even got a key? Probably not. It's probably just a blank. We'll see. We'll see if it can even, see if it'll even come out. Okay, well, I don't think anything comes out of here. On the 2019 Plus, this is an actual key. Yes, this is a key fob from 2019 Plus 1500 and the 2020 Plus 2500. I have my 2020 Duramax key fob right here to show you guys for comparison. So we put it side by side and honestly, it looks so legit. I mean, I couldn't even tell you which one is the replica and one's the original factory OEM ones. What I was showing you guys earlier was that on the OEM key fob, if you press this button, an actual key comes out. So, but I don't think on the Boostautoparts there's a key for it because it really wouldn't make any sense for it to have a key. Although it would have been kind of cool if it was like a blank key that you can take it to any locksmith and they can cut it. That would have been cool. Maybe it does come out, I don't know. Nah, it doesn't. But let's go ahead and program this on the truck. One thing I do want to say right out the box is previously with their other key fob that's retrofitted for the generation before this key fob, is that one actually did feel a little bit lighter, and you could say that it did feel cheaper. If you held the OEM key fob versus the one from Boostautoparts, you can definitely tell one was lighter than the other. However, this key fob, I actually feel like this one's a little bit heavier and feels a little bit more solid than my factory key fob. And with my factory key fob, with the key being in here, it wiggles and moves around, and you can hear all the rattling. But with this, there's no rattling. So this one actually feels a little bit more solid. And honestly, it feels just as heavy, if not a little bit heavier than the OEM one. So as of right now, I'm actually very impressed with this key fob. And I just want to say a huge shout out to Boostautoparts for their new design key fob because it's so far very, very impressive. So not only does this key fob benefit me with an older truck like an 05, but you can also get this for your newer truck 2011, which also uses this style key fob. Also go ahead and get this for your 2014 and plus trucks that have the newer key fob. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and program our keys, our key fob. First thing you want to do is hold down the unlock button and then cycle the keys twice. Alright, so now we are in programming mode, so hold down the lock and the unlock for 15 seconds. Alright, and I wonder if we have to do it with this one too. We'll just do it. Cool. So, alright, now we are out of the programming mode and see if it worked. Yeah, there you go. We have a 2020 or 2019 Plus key fob working on a 05. So that's pretty cool. This is the original style key fob for my body style. And then here we have the 2019 style key fob from Boostautoparts. Now, this is really cool because I've always felt like, well, obviously not back when these first came out, but ever since like the 2014 body style key fob came out, I've always felt like these felt kind of outdated, cheap compared to the newer key fobs. I mean, these were definitely outdated for sure. And just the fact that you have the new style key fob makes it feel a little bit different, makes you feel like you have a newer vehicle, even though you don't. But it's just another like a confidence booster for having an older truck. Boostautoparts, they do offer this key fob for all year, make, and models. I know for a fact for 2011 and newer, at least the 2500s, you have to take your key fob to either your dealership or really anybody with a programmer. I took mine to a locksmith who had a device that he used to program the keys to my truck, because I just showed you guys on my 05 LLY how to program these key fobs. But the newer trucks, especially I believe the ones with the remote start, you have to take them to somebody that has a programmer or a device. And that's a new key, right?
Yes.
Cool, it works already. Just gotta program the remote.
Yes, sir.
Was that the one that I ordered from eBay? Oh, that's awesome. It's like the same procedure as my old truck, but this one I just gotta have something hooked up to it, I guess. That's it?
That's it.
That was easy. Oh, that's sweet. That's awesome. This is a new style key fob, right? For 14 and up. Wait, let's see if the remote start works. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? The remote start works too? Oh man, this is insane. This is a nice little upgrade in my opinion, because who wants to have an outdated key fob? And I also feel like these don't work that well sometimes, and over time these buttons just wear out so quick. But in my opinion, with all the Boostautoparts key fobs that I've had, they work really good. I mean, just listen. That, like, it's just a button, just a squishy button compared to clicks. You hear it clicking. So I will put the link below on where you can purchase the key fob from. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this little upgrade. I upgraded the giveaway truck about 15 years newer for whoever wins this truck. Don't forget to follow along. We are giving away the red truck at 100,000 subscribers. So if you're new to this channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we're not at 100,000 yet, but once we do hit 100,000, it's gonna go live and you don't wanna miss out. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button if you guys think this key fob is pretty cool. But as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.